tuke adhula pacho kogolo ng'ur margi kotenore kod chenro mag ikruok e yiero mar riwruogno ka gidwaro bod ma yiero riwruogno mondo mi obag romo mapiyo mondo gitwage mathoth mamulo yierono.
To immediately and transparently notify the members and stakeholders on any changes or updates made to the voters register and adherence to the Sports Act 2013. To convene a roundtable meeting with the Electoral Board and stakeholders to endorse the process. The Ministry of Sports immediately undertakes to change the location of the FKF Electoral Board from Kandanda House.
We are still objecting on the time frame for the election, and we are going to go with the FKF Constitution and FIFA, which states that once the board is put in place, we need 6 months to do a credible election.